Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the update mechanism so nothing installs while you act. Open Settings and go straight to General, then Software Update. Turn off automatic updates so iPad won't download or install at night. If an update already downloaded, go to Storage and delete the update file. Alternatively, disable Wi-Fi to prevent further downloads. Once done, confirm automatic updates shows off and that no pending download remains. These actions prevent immediate installation and give you control over timing. Now remove any installer the system already fetched. In Settings, open General and tap iPad Storage. Look for the iPad OS update entry labeled with the version number. Tap it and choose Delete Update. This removes the downloaded package and prevents automatic installation. Next, restart your iPad to clear temporary caches and system flags that might requeue the update. Make sure you remain disconnected from Wi-Fi or connect to a network you control so the update doesn't immediately reappear. This middle step secures the state. Finish by locking down update permissions and handling hiccups. Use screen time, set a passcode, enable content and privacy restrictions, and disallow installing apps or software changes so you can't accidentally trigger an update. If the update reappears, reset network settings to clear cached profiles and then delete the update again. Finally, confirm automatic updates remains off and verify iPad storage shows no installer. Troubleshooting tip: if updates persist, temporarily disconnect from Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.